You are most welcome to the series of 100 videos to master storytelling. But before getting started, I am asking a question to you. Have you ever walked into a job interview and answered the all questions correctly and still you did not get that job? Write the answer in the comment section. At the last, I will give you a very simple and effective formula so that you can tell everything about yourself in a story form, and that is the secret only. Let's say there are two candidates, candidate A for Aman, and he is telling each and everything about himself in the form of fact and figures, what he did in academics and how much he scored and how many years he has experience. But let's say another candidate B for Brazil, and he is telling each and everything in the story form about himself, and the recruiter or interviewer remember each and everything in the story form, because we human are wired for stories. Stories are connected so that we can remember it. Okay, so uh, obviously, candidate B, huge chance to select it, to get hired. Compare than candidate E. If you compare with candidate A, I am giving you a simple and very effective formula so that you can tell about yourself each and everything in a story form. You can apply from today onwards. And what is that formula? This formula is called STAR formula. Here S stand for situations, T stand for task, A stand for action, and R stand for result. For example, you are a software engineer. आपसे पूछा गया कुछ पिछले रिकॉर्ड के बारे में, अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताइए, कोई आपने प्रॉब्लम कभी सॉल्व की हो तो जस्ट मेक अ रिकॉर्ड what you had the challenges and how you solved it, what action you take to solve that problem, and what is the result. So this is the star formula. So you can, if you're a software engineer and if you want to use that formula, so you can tell, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैंडिडेट बी की जब मैं बात कर रहा था, ब्रजेश ब्रजेश भी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हैं एंड उन्होंने अपने बारे में बताया कि एक बार once upon a time I am in last job and there is a just demo of a software with in front of clients, and there is a bug in that software and bug need to be solved within that day only. We have a single day, and at the evening there is a demo in front of clients. So this is the situation. And what is the task now? The task is the bug need to be solved within the same day. This is the task. And what action he took? Action is he stays till the evening with all his team. They work harder and they identified that bug and they rectified that bug, and in front of the client successfully demo will happen and $1 million deal will be cracked. So this is in the story form. and how a star works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.